Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BST Tech. In today's video I will show you how you can convert JPEG, TIFF or any other images into one PDF file. Those of you who are concerned about converting their private documents or official documents on an online website. So today's method is an offline method. You don't need internet. All you need is a working Windows 10 laptop or a computer, and you can start this process. So you can add multiple images in one go, and it's relatively a quick process and literally takes between 5 to 10 seconds. All you need to do is open the specific folder and look for the files first. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have these 8 files. So what I am going to do is I'm going to highlight all of these, and you have to select print. It will bring up the print panel, and then you will land on this page. Once you are here, you need to look for the printer option. You have to scroll down and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Select that, and then you have to click print, and then it will ask you to save these documents. So let's save these documents in a specific folder. Let's say this one, docs. That's done. Wait for the print pictures to process these images depending on the number of file sizes and the number of files. So we have this PDF file which is already been processed. If we look at the file size, this is somewhere around 23.8 MBs, and if we look at the images altogether, that is 12.4 MB. So you will have better PDF quality when you use this method in order to combine these files. So that's it for today's video guys. If you like this video, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.